So I purchased this little plastic cubby hole. I call it a cubby hole, but it's supposed to go underneath the armrest so that you do not get to see what's inside here. Let's see how it works and see how it fits. Supposed to fill in this section. Just looks like it's got just some simple 3M tape. Alright, we're going to want this part facing up. Alright. That's snug. It fits. It fits really nice in there. There it is. There we go. Pushed it in too far. Oh, okay, much better. Alright, mine seemed to get, let me see, maybe this bottom part pushed in too far too. Alright, so not a fan of it so far. Bring you in closer, show you what's going on here. This top section right here, I mean it's in there, it's flush all the way around. Looks good. Okay, never mind. I fixed it. Alright, so that's what it looks. Let's see. I have really nothing to put in there. I don't know what to even put in there. I just bought it just because. Anyways, okay. So it's better. That's nice. I don't know what you need that for. Throw your wallet in there, I guess. Well, why would you walk around without your wallet? I don't know. It's not made very well, at least this one. Really, really thin plastic, which I guess is good for not creating any weight in your car. So yeah, I would say probably not necessary, but I did it. And that's up to you if you're going to do it or not. So that's my review and unboxing or installing of this item.